If you love amazing deep ocean car restoration videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next restoration journey.
Comms check, Diver 2, loud and clear.
Reading you, Diver 1, systems nominal, ready to dive. All right, team, let's secure the forward lifting points.
Laser guidance confirms the angle, Commander. Stand by for measurement alignment.
The schematic matches the visual data on the tablet. Contact in the rear. Settling now. Hold it there. We're securing the starboard line. The markings are barely legible under the rust. I'm cross-referencing the container ID now. All right, take the slack. Easy now. Slack is out. Holding tension. All right, hold it steady. Bring her up slow, watch the sway. Lowering now, easy. All right, hold it there, looks good. How's the tension on that cable? Looks good, keep pulling. Keep it steady, almost there. Clear on the left, and stop.
Recovered from the deep ocean, this Frontier presents a unique challenge. Extensive oxidation and marine growth cover nearly every surface.
Tension coming up. Clear, clear. Nice and slow now. Keep it steady.
The inspection reveals extensive oil sludge and severe pitting corrosion caused by decades of marine salt contamination and exposure.
Alignment looks precise. Torquing the main caps now, following the sequence. That's the final head bolt. Torque reading is good. Confirmed. Sequence complete. Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the mounts on your side. Clearances look good. Hold it there.